Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to redefine your experience with air compressors, the California Air Tools 2010A Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the California Air Tools 2010A? This is a compact, lightweight air compressor designed specifically to deliver powerful performance without the noise typically associated with traditional compressors. With its 2-gallon aluminum tank and a robust 1.0 HP motor, this unit is perfect for both home and professional use, especially if you're working in environments where noise is a concern. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the 2010A. One of its most impressive attributes is its ultra-quiet operation. At just 60 decibels, it's one of the quietest compressors on the market. This makes it an ideal choice for indoor use or in noise-sensitive settings, such as workshops or home garages, where you don't want to disturb others while you work. Another key feature is its oil-free dual-piston pump system. This technology not only reduces maintenance costs but also extends the lifespan of the compressor. In fact, the 2010A is built to last over 3,000 hours before any significant wear occurs. The motor operates at a low RPM of 1680, which not only cuts down on noise but also minimizes wear and tear, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Portability is another highlight of this compressor. Weighing in at only 35 pounds, it's easy to transport around your workspace. Whether you're moving it from your garage to your backyard or taking it to a job site, this lightweight design makes it a breeze to carry without straining your back. When it comes to efficiency, the California Air Tools 2010A doesn't disappoint. It achieves a maximum pressure of 120 psi, and you'll appreciate the quick tank fill time of just 50 seconds. Plus, its recovery time from 90 psi to 120 psi is only 14 seconds. This means less waiting around and more time getting your tasks done. So, who is this compressor suitable for? Well, it caters to a wide range of users, from DIY enthusiasts to professional craftsmen. If you're someone who works with pneumatic tools, such as nail guns, spray guns, or airbrushes, this compressor can power your tools effectively without the hassle of a noisy operation. It's also great for inflating tires, sports equipment, and even air mattresses, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox. In practical use, imagine setting up your air compressor in the garage while working on a woodworking project. The quiet operation allows you to focus on your craft without the constant drone of a traditional compressor in the background. Or consider using it to inflate your bike tires before a weekend ride, quick and efficient, without waking up the whole neighborhood. In summary, the California Air Tools 2010A Ultra Quiet Air Compressor is a game-changer for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and quiet air compressor. With its impressive features and versatility, it's perfect for a variety of applications and environments. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.